Hello students, this is Pinky Yadav, English teacher from Surya School, Mahendragarh. So dear students, today we will learn about subject verb concord. Subject verb concord, I have already given you a video lecture on this topic, subject verb concord, and it is my second lecture on this topic. Subject verb concord. For class 9th and 10th. Subject verb concord. Concord means agreement, as you know, and in this topic we have to follow some rules. So I told you कि verb always follow the subject in number and person. And today we will discuss next rule in which we will come to know if two different subject, if two different subjects are joined by either or, neither nor, not only but also, not only but also, both and, etc. These are pair words. You must have learned these words in conjunction topic, and these are conjunction. But here, if two different subjects are joined by one of these words, then verb will be according to later subject. Later subject, or you can say the subject which is nearest of blank space, right? So in this rule we have to follow that if two different subjects are joined by either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and, either or, neither nor, these are pair words. These are called pair words. ये always pair में आते हैं, clear? So verb will be according to later subject. So through the example we will come to know this rule. Neither he nor his friends, neither he nor his friends, blank space, the class. We have attained as a verb. Now we have to fill here neither he nor his friends, blank space, the class. He and his friends. There are two different subjects. In rule, I taught you if two different subjects are joined by two different subjects, we have he and his friends. There are two different subjects and both the subjects are joined by neither nor. Neither always take nor with it, and either always take or with it, not only always take but also, and both always take and. These are pair words. So here two different subjects are joined by neither nor. So verb will be according to later subject. It's former subject. It's later subject. It means first subject and second subject. Verb will be according to later subject. Later subject कौन सा हुआ? His friends, right? और nearest to the blank space. Blank space के nearest कौन सा है? His friend. His friends is singular or plural? If it is singular, verb will be singular. If it is plural, verb will be plural. So it is plural. That's why I will use here neither he nor his friends attend the class. Clear? In rule we have learnt that if two different subjects are joined by one of these words, then verb will be according to later subject. Clear? One more example. not only you but also your brother, is absent today. Not only you but also your brother, verb be means is MR. We have these three options. By these options we have to fill here not only you but also your brother blank space absent today. Not only but also pair word conjunction हो गए. Not only but also subject, first subject and second subject. There are two different subjects, you and your brother. There are two different subjects. Both the subjects are joined by not only but also. Pair word. Verb will be according to later subject. What is later subject? Whether later subject singular, verb will be singular, and if later subject is plural, verb will be plural. So here your brother is singular subject. Singular, it will take singular verb. Means is MR is always used with singular subject, and R is used always with plural subject, and M is used always with I only. So here your brother के according is not only you but also your brother is absent today. Next, both students and teacher. Students and teachers playing Ludo, or not Ludo, playing football. Here is M R. We have these three options. Among these options we have to choose one to fill here. Both students and teachers. First subject students, second subject teachers, right? And both the subjects are joined by both and. It's a pair word. It's a pair. And I taught you in rule, if two different subjects are joined by both and, verb will be according to later subject. Doesn't matter it is in is it in singular or plural, we have to follow, or verb always follow the subject. Clear? Here it is plural and it's also plural, but we have to use verb according to this. Don't think that this is plural, that's why according to this we are using here the verb plural. No, we are using according to this subject. Teachers plural है, so according to teachers we will use are here. Clear? So like this we will we have learnt this rule also. Clear? This is all for today.